Welcome back to Design Guy. Want to add eye-catching scrolling parallax effects to your Canva animations? I'll show you how. Click the Create button. Next, select videos from the options that appear. Choose mobile video as the format. This will set up your project correctly for mobile devices. Continue following prompts to start editing your mobile video. Locate the desired element in the list to continue with the next steps of the process. Try using this option by clicking on it, then observe how it changes the results displayed on the screen. Enlarge the image by clicking and dragging a corner, then move it upwards to reposition on screen. Next, open the console to view any messages, errors, or logs related to your application's performance. Extend the duration of this element by clicking and dragging its edge to the right. This lengthens its appearance on the timeline, allowing more time for viewers to observe or read its contents. Adjust until you reach your desired length, checking the preview to ensure it fits well with the rest of your video sequence and maintains pacing. Next, let's add the text. Locate the text tool on your toolbar and click it. Then, click anywhere on your canvas to create a new text box. Type in your desired message. After entering your text, you can adjust the font style, size, and color using the options at the top of your screen. Once you're satisfied, reposition the text box as needed to fit your design layout. To give someone special recognition, select the message you want to highlight. Hover over the message, then click the three dots that appear to open more options. From the drop-down menu, choose Give Special Thanks. A prompt will appear. Type a short message expressing your appreciation, then click Send. The recipient will receive a notification and see your special thanks attached to their message, making your gratitude clear and visible to everyone in the chat. Repeat the process to add additional items below. Click the Add button, then enter your information in the new field. You can continue adding more items as needed. Each entry will appear in order, allowing you to manage and organize your list efficiently. Enter the required information in the provided fields. Once you've filled in the details, you'll have the option to duplicate this entry if you need multiple similar items. Simply select the duplicate option, and another identical entry will appear below the original. Next, to organize your items, add a cloud element underneath. Click the Add Cloud button, and a cloud will be inserted below your current items. Repeat this process for additional entries or clouds as needed to build your project efficiently and keep everything organized. Click again, then add the transition earlier on the timeline. Next, drag the transition upward slightly to adjust its position. This helps create a smoother effect between clips and gives you better control over your video's flow. Start by opening the application. Look for the main menu at the top. Click File, then choose New Project to begin your work. To create another role just like the previous one, select the timeline where you want to add it. Right-click and choose Duplicate to copy the existing role. Drag the duplicated role to position it directly after the first. Adjust its duration to 1.5 minutes by dragging the edge until you reach the desired length. Double-check the timing in the duration indicator for accuracy. If you need to change the content within the new role, double-click to edit as necessary. Make sure all settings match the original role for consistency. When finished, review playback to confirm everything appears as intended. Let's explore how to play the paradox effect. Locate the paradox effect function in your software, then click it to select. Next, press the play button to initiate the effect and observe how it operates within the interface. After finishing your video, click the Share button. To download, select the Download option. Adjust the size setting to increase video quality if needed. Before downloading, make sure the correct video is selected. Confirm all your settings, then click Download to save the video to your device. This process ensures you get the best quality version of your project. Remember to review your selections before downloading to avoid any mistakes or missing content. Now your video is ready to use or share wherever you need. Learn the scrolling parallax effect in Canva? Give it a try, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy design tips.